The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, welcome to the last Monday of August. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Friday was a magnificent sell-off. I guess people decided to finally start listening to what Powell was actually saying. In any event, guys, good morning. Coming into the session, markets are down again. A little bit of follow-through. NASDAQ down 145, ES off 36. YM down 250, EMD, Russell down, gold down, silver down. Crude is up, natural gas is up. Thank you, Scott. Excuse me. Again, I hope you guys had a great weekend. If you folks are here on trial, we do have some trials in again this week, as we usually do. Good morning and welcome. Bots are currently up and green, $1,120. And we do have an ES long on. I've made a small minor adjustment to the ES. We'll see how that works out. Yeah, I'm getting there, Lori. Not 100%, but pretty good. Thank you. COVID is still lingering here, but not enough that it's going to affect me. In any event, guys, we are here and we are starting another week. Monday will be a holiday. Monday's a federal holiday, so there will be no room. Also letting you guys know early on in the week here that this is the last week of the current room link. Good morning, Hubba. If you folks are newer, please remember that by the weekend, by Saturday, I will have a new link in the member area. You will have to register for the next 2-week segment. But again, the holiday is on Monday, so we will not be here on Monday. We're currently pretty much in shorts all the way around. I'll show you some charts. Jacques, good morning. Again, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. I'm not sure if all of the trials are in. So what I'll do is go through the disclaimer, and then I will go over what, good morning, Barry, what you can expect to see in the room. Bear with me 1 second. Let me find my disclaimer. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I trade a live account and may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys. So for my trials, first off, Monday through Thursday, today through Thursday, I will be sending you guys out a daily email. That email will contain today's video. It is an unedited version. I do not edit the daily videos that I post either to Vimeo, YouTube, or send to you guys as trials. So if you wanted to go back and see the trades, whether it was a bot trade or an order flow trade, you have that ability. That should help shape your decision-making process toward the end of the week, whether you decide to become a member with us or not. The room is comprised of two specific areas, if you will. The first, obviously, is our robot. Our robots begin trading at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. They will be done at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have deduced over years now of back testing and forward walking that the most optimum times to trade the bots are between 6 a.m. and 11 a.m. Now we have we have a NASDAQ trade as well though. We have no data for some of you may be in Europe. I don't track them at the 3 o'clock session, but it makes no sense to trade them in the afternoons during the dead times. It makes no sense to trade these bots in the early evening as of yet. Now, going back into the fall, we may run them at 6 p.m. again. We had great success until we got into the slower summer months at 6 p.m. Eastern. So in any event, the second aspect of the trade room are going to be my order flow trades. I am an order flow trader. I trade order flow, and I will be suggesting order flow trades throughout the morning, primarily in the NASDAQ, ES, natural gas, crude, and gold. On occasion, I will look at other instruments depending on what the markets are doing. But nonetheless, order flow trades are a big part of what we do here in the room as well. So NASDAQ attempting to get to target one here on a long, as is the ES. And if one or the other of these will get first target, I can move on and show you guys what we have for charts. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. I know that the world thinks that we are just going to continue to sell off to hell in a handbasket today. I'm not sure that's the case. I'll show you the levels on the ES, the NASDAQ, and of course, we'll do our top-down analysis. All right, let me get on with the morning here. I'm going to move these off the screen for now. I'll bring them back if they hit targets. Anybody take natty gas? Okay, Chuck. All right, Tom. There we go, guys. First and second targets hit if you're still holding any. 92.88, maybe 92.70. It's a boom. There's next target. Let's see, copper's getting a bid. Copper would be along above 59.55. Crude, middle of nothing. You can try a silver short with a small stop. It's 18,495, right where it is, 500. Maybe with a 5-tick stop. silver, gold want to get a small bid above 500. Yeah, I don't think, hey Sam, good morning. I don't think we're going to sell into, I mean, we may sell this morning, but I think Friday was a little overdone. If it wasn't a Friday, it would have been a monster day. Nice job, Rich. Congratulations. $15-minute looks good on the NASDAQ. 15-minute looks long. Got a target at 503. Yes, still hold. Greg, where were you on natty gas? What was the number? 94.68? 466. Come on, crude. 5 more ticks. Let's go. There it is. Target 1 hit and filled on crude. Do I have a target on copper? Yeah, I do. Hang on. Find it. 3 point on the hourly. Let's look at the 10-minute. We got to get above 61.35. 61.35 gets you to 61.90. One tick here to second target on crude. There it is, second target, 41 ticks. Here comes that long target on NASDAQ, 503. NASDAQ can bid 557 too. Look at this crude. All three targets hit and filled on crude. 21, 41, and 73 ticks. There's that 503 target. $517 if anybody is long NASDAQ. $517 now. All right, guys, I'm looking for something. There we go. Yes. If it gets above 33, can get a nice little bid. We can get 40. Guys, give me a minute. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. NASDAQ hit 17 and backed off. Excuse me. Good morning, Ricky. Man, natural gas still getting hit. I think I read an article this morning that Porsche is going public. Anybody read that? Took a short off the 68 on order flow and gas. Hit your goal. Nice job, Paul. Man, I'll tell you, natural gas has been a blessing the last 4 weeks. We just kill it. It's coming down a lot further than I thought it might. I'm looking for the reversal. Just chopping around here, looking at some different stocks, guys. NASDAQ just can't. I got a nice little move, but I don't think it's going far. Natty Gas, a couple of hundred net sellers. Take a look and see where we can come. Oof. Natural gas is 9 o'clock will give us hourly shorts, probably down to $9.10. This can come down a long way still. Hey, Chris, CL 9450. Let me take a look at crude. Yeah, man. There's your break. That's your breakout. Was above 94 bucks or so. Target is 95.80 now on crude. 95.80. That's the 50-day moving average, 95.86. If you're long crude, it's daily longs. It's into a little bit of resistance here at 94.50, but natural gas looks like it's going to keep coming. If anybody's got any questions, holler, fellas. I don't have anybody that took the NASDAQ trade. You got target one, and then it came down another, I don't know, maybe 10 handles, give or take. Looks like we're going to get it. All right, so here's the deal, fellas. Come on, NASDAQ, 52, let's go. Push. Come on. 52, baby, let's go. Got buyers. We're stuck here at 45. Still think you'll get 52. Trade them as you see fit. Some small sellers showing up, 30, nothing, 22 in this 3-minute bar. Come on. One more push up and you'll get that 52 target one. ES is a 3150. Still can't turn that damn bot on. Russell's on now. There we go, baby. Come on, 35 to 52. Target hit. Free trade, fellas. NASDAQ's free trade, 35 to 52, and now you're free. 3150 on ES fired if you took that trade, 3150. First target is 39. Excuse me. NASDAQ, guys, can work up to 600. You now have 30 handle runner on the NASDAQ. Here comes 39 target on the ES. Let's go, baby. Get 39. Make Papa proud. Man, we got 38. She's going. Come on, 39. 39. NASDAQ's target, fellas, is 595 now. If you're holding NQ long, 595. Trade the runner as you see fit. You've got 30 handles in there. Trying to get to 595. ES fizzled at 38 and a quarter. That's where we're trying to get to with the NASCrack. You know, I still can't turn that damn bot on that chart. Take some risk off on the ES if you're trading multiples. You got 4 handles in it, 3.5, 4 handles in it. Still think we get 39 though. Here we go. 39's coming. Crude's breaking out as well. Now they're just screwing over all the shorts from last night. 39 target hit. Got it to the tick. There it is. You should be filled at 39. NASDAQ target is here at this line, 95. 95. From 35, 60 handles. Go hit them straight, fellas. Resistance here now on the ES. Resistance. If we can crawl through about 43, 44, you're going to target 4070. 4070. Here's my 95 target coming up, baby. Coming up. 3,300 buyers. They are roasting shorts. Roasting them. Roasting shorts. They're going to roast them. Target hit and filled. So anything you do from here on in, guys, it's a freebie, but that's my target. How about that? Boom. All right, Monday. And I still can't turn the damn ES bot on. How about that? Cannot turn the bot on. Nice job, Lori. Guys, everybody should be good unless you didn't trade. Everybody good? You're welcome, Paul. Okay, guys. NASDAQ below 63 is going to come down. Got to come below 63. We could trade back 35. You're welcome, Ryan. Nice job, guys. I miss natural gas. Guys, I bought 5 SPX puts, 39.80s. I paid $295. Yeah, I'll take them all, Greg. No, I did them for today. It's more of a lotto trade. I don't know that we can get much above 45. If I'm wrong, we're going to 70. I only bought 5, so I've got small position. 3,500 buyers in the NASDAQ. BABA took off. NEO took off. I told you these Chinese stocks look good. Looks like we're going to push up. Looks like we want Friday's close now, 6:20. Where's my damn ES chart? There we go. We're going to trade over 600 is what it looks like. Some sellers showing up, guys, small. That's what I bought, 39.80s. $300 sellers in this 3-minute block, not much. We're holding above 2 standard deviations here. Do. Closing in on 400 sellers in this block. $440 sellers. We may fail right here. $450 on the sell side. Could come back to 42 on the NASDAQ if we come down through 60. 1 minute support, 2 minute support at 60. Got to come down through 59-ish. Two buyers, 4 buyers, 5 buyers. Buyers in again, trying, losing buyers. Got to break down below 64 here, guys. And we can come back to 42. Doesn't look like it wants to break down. It's trying. ES is holding us up at 37. Come on, dog. Floating. Come on, break that line. There we go. Come on. Break that stupid little support. If that little support breaks, we come back to 42. Come on, dog. There we go. 42. Come on. Well, we got a bot trade here at least. Russell, long. I think we're coming down to 42, fellas, on the NASDAQ. You can short NASDAQ to 42. Stop has to be 88, though. 88 with target 1 at 42, maybe 43. A little bit of support here at the 58. Is that swing low? Yeah. A little bit of support there. and then we come 42. And below 42, we could come all the way back to 500. Here we go. Here we go. Target one is 42. Target one is 42. Get this the hell out of here. Got to 47. Come on, 42 target one. 42 target one. I said 42, not 44. Come on. This is target. There it is. Target one is hit. 42 is hit. Next target down is maybe 30, but you can if we break below 29, if we break below this 29, we're coming back to 95. We're coming back here, 495 if you're short. VWAP, that's where we're headed. Target one hit. ES needed to drop below 25 and she gets cremated. Anybody took those SPX puts, they are now 350. You're up about 17%. There you go. You're up 35%. You're already out. Okay. You bought at 255. Okay. I pay 295. Russell got target one on the bot. Excuse me. I still cannot turn on my ES. I don't know what's wrong with that chart. Target one is hit on the Russell. On the bot. Nothing, no trades on natural gas, NASDAQ, or crude, and I cannot turn on ES. Don't know why. We looked below Friday's low and bounced back just above Friday's low, about 10 handles. Down to 2,900 net buyers. ES is at 8,000 net sellers. They're picking up a shoot ton of sellers. We opened at 4,400 net sellers. We're at 8,000 and change. Natural gas starting to buy them back. Crude still bid. ES, NASDAQ just kind of floating. I can't even do anything with the chart, Ed. I can't. The chart's like dead. It's nothing. If we get below VWAP, it's all right. If we get below VWAP, it's over but the crying. Yeah, it's a special feature on Ninja. A lot of sellers in the ES. 8,300. Really need this to drop below 32. And it comes down to 24.5. It'll come into VWAP below 32. ES, not going to hold here long. I'm sorry, NASDAQ, not going to hold here long. We're going to get a VWAP test. Excuse me. They are loading the shorts, yeah. I mean, we're back to summer volume again, guys. Friday was kind of an anomaly. I don't think NASDAQ's going far. It's running out of gas. But we need it to drop. It's got to drop below 40. Russell on the bot's going to get second target here. Got it. Second target filled. And now this chart's frozen. Fudge, man. Now they're squeezing shorts here. Just be patient, guys. We made big money on the first trade. We got a couple of nice, littler trades. There's more to trade than. You're welcome, Paul. ES, which I can't turn on, got all three targets on the bot. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Doesn't matter what happens here. I still think that this is going to turn over later, but who knows? Yeah, I'll tell you what I see here on the bigger time frames. ES, guys, looks like it wants to go to 4,100 on the hourlies. 4,100. The 100-day moving average on the ES, it fills the gap at 40.60. 40.60. All right, NASDAQ. Sellers now in the NASDAQ. Guys, unless we come below 40, it's bupkis. Got to come below 40 on the NASDAQ. If we get below 40, it's going to sell. Short of that, it's just chopping around in a little crappy little range. ES has to come back below 37, and it can trade down to 32 and possibly get puked. Your short on the NASDAQ, guys, is below 40. It's going to pull back here. You'll probably get it to 42 again from here, 53. But below 40 is when the fun should start. $500 sellers here. We're below 2,500. There you go. All right, we're below out of the Russell on that third contract. Guys, I'm shutting bots off for the day. They are up 1482. It's good enough for me. There's our 40. Got to break 40. That's where the fun starts. But if you took it at that 52, 53, you got target one again at 42. This should now come back to 500 on a break below this 40. I'm going to find support down around 29 from here. Below 29, we come 506. So if you shorted 40, you can take some off at 29. There we go. There we go. All right, target one hit at 29. Now it's a free trade from 40, or depending on where you took it. Stop is always break even. If you guys are here on trial, you'd be out at break even. One target. I still think we come lower though, guys. We're down to 2,300, 2,200 net buyers, 2,250. I mean, they're trying to keep this thing. We're below Friday's low again. I can't imagine why anybody wants to buy this, but what do I know? ES came down to 31. Really, ES comes, yeah, I see the same thing, Rick. I see actually 2650 could start this rolling over. SPX puts, guys, are at 350 again and should start fall. If we get below VWAP, it gets. Anybody holding ES NASDAQ shorts? We're still trying to get to 506 if you're holding NASDAQ shorts. 501, 502, that's VWAP. I have a target at 506. We're down to 2230 on the net buyers. I'd like to see us get below 2100 quickly. Asking you shall receive 21 and change. Come on, buddy, break down. 2103. Got to get ES down below 28. Thicker swim locked up. I'll tell you, when the markets opened last night, I had no rhythmic data. I didn't get rhythmic data for almost 2 hours. There's your support. That breaks, you're going to get that 506 target if you're short from 40, but not a day to overtrade, guys, or continue to put on risk. It's dink and dunk trades, dink and dunks till we get below that little support there. It's working that way. Below that line, we should come 506. Come on, send in the sellers. Right back into that support. Come on, give way. Let's go, 506. Jesus. I mean, you know where the support is, right? When it goes, it's going to be quick. Yeah, and got targets on natural gas. Yeah. This is just a crock of shit here, guys. Pardon my French. I have no bots on, so I'm not paying attention to them. Bots had a good day. I'm more interested. NASDAQ can pop back up now to 58. We're back to 2,700 buyers. Guys, we are wedged in a range of about 45 to 22. Here comes 58. We're below Friday's low. This is a chop zone extraordinaire. Come on, we've hit this support so many damn times, guys. It cannot keep holding. It has to break. Look at this. Held it again. Can a brother get a VWAP test? Got my target at 06. Excuse me. Next target, if you're short, next target down is 82. I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, guys. Is there anybody that is not making money at this point? Everybody should be green, guys. Nice job, Alfredo. Great job for a trial. You're welcome, Ed. Guys, this is just, torturously slow. We're back to summer volume. We're back to, what we saw all last week, and that'll probably last again this week. We do have non-farm payrolls on Friday, ADP on Wednesday, but this is just torturous. ES back into that buy zone. So here's what it's looking like now. We went up, we got above 40. We should have traded up here. This is a failed breakup. And now we broke back below 40. First target at 30. And if we can get down below here, we can trade 4,000. NASDAQ's now going to short. It's got to short now. NASDAQ's got to short now. Next target down is 78. If you guys want to take a NASDAQ short, 78, 79, and then 70. You're welcome, Christopher. Guys, it's, again, typical summer trading. Typical summer trade. Volume point of control on the NASDAQ in the video. The bots finished up 1482.50 today. I mean, they could have been better because I don't have a natural gas couple of trades there, but that's all right. I really, really think this is going to blow out. I think we're coming down to 78. But man, you better be patient as Job. We're down to 2,400 buyers. 78 is where I think we have to head. Below that, 70, 69. Terrible trade. I mean, we all made money, but this is not fun to watch. I mean, let me just tell you guys, in the previous 3-minute bars, previous bar we had 23 net sellers. The bar before that, 52. Here comes 78, 79. This is coming to 78. There it goes. Now we're starting to break down. Those SPX puts are going. Those SPX puts are going to print big time, bigly. All right, so there's 79 target. Next level down, 69. Here comes 69. Next target down. We're going to trade 52 on the NASDAQ. Value area low, and then below that, maybe 420. You're welcome, Chuck. Uh-oh. Now the sellers are starting to show up. Anybody still holding SPX puts? We're going to trade down to 425. You're long. Yeah, you have Q puts. Okay. All right, Ryan. You're welcome, Isaac. We're going to trade down to 425 very slowly. We're going to trade to 425. Times 54. If we can get cleanly away from about this 59, I mean, we've got support all the way down through here. All the way, I mean, all the way down to 50, 52. If we can get below 52, we're going to come to 24 pretty quickly. But we've got to get below 52. Sellers are starting to gang up on them now. We're down to 1,500. and 70 net buyers. We're holding this green level here. We just don't have the volume. I mean, if we did, I think they'd be blowing this thing out. There we go. Now we're below that standard deviation. We still have to push down. We're down below 1,500 buyers. We're coming in. Jesus, what the hell was that? 1,500 buyers. Got to get below 52 and this thing gets, punched. I mean, that thing spiked all the way down to 50, 58 and bounced up about 7 handles, 8 handles in a hurry. I had no buying. Top of the hour coming. Now we got 50 buyers just showed up. Hundred buyers. We're just sitting, guys. Got to get back below 64, 63, maybe 62, call it, and this can start moving lower again. They lost all the buyers, went to a negative delta. Here comes top of the hour. New 15-minute bar coming. Got to come down through the 62. Excuse me. Top of the hour coming here, fellas. In 10 seconds. There we go. Come on. Sell them. Sell them down to 24. Got new 10-minute bar, top of the hour. All right, guys, this is a waste of time. Fellas, it's 11 o'clock. Everybody should have made money. Tomorrow's another day. Everybody should be green. If you didn't make money, I'm not sure what you would have done to not make money. We did not have any losing order flow trades today. Bots had a good day, up 1482.50. For my trials, I appreciate your first day. I will send out an email today through Thursday. You're welcome, guys. And just go over, it'll give you your options for membership and Today's video will be included in that, so you can go back through it if you'd like. I will see everyone at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Be blessed. Have a great day.